You're here because you received an email inviting you to log in. So what I want you to do is click on that email or click on the link in that email, or you can visit tlw.org. So if you got lost and that link doesn't work for whatever reason, you can go to the Tavern League website. So go to tlw.org and you're going to go to Member Resources and then click on Member Hub. That's going to bring you to this login screen. Now, you don't have a login yet because you haven't been here yet. So in the future, when you want to log in after you've created your account, you'll come here. But in the meantime, what you need to do is create an account because this is your first time here. So under Don't Have an Account, click on Create One. And so what you're going to want to do is enter your first and last name as they appear probably on previous membership invoices, because that's what we're going to have in our system. So we've ported all this information from the previous system, and so we're going to use our first and last name as we have it in our system, so that they do have to match. Enter your email that you provided us when you joined. This is probably the email that you use for your tavern or company or for normal Tavern League business. Now, these three fields must match what we have in our new system to create an account. If you receive any kind of error message, try a different name. This could be maybe your business partner, your spouse, or maybe you have an alternate spelling. So we don't have nicknames or anything like that as the first name in your system. So please use your real first name. I've created a fictional tavern in the database. It's Tony's Tavern. And again, this is the name that should be in the system, because if I'm an existing member, then this is probably the name, first and last name, that is in the system and that has been on my previous membership invoices. I'm also going to use the email that I use every day for my tavern or doing Tavern League business. Again, this is probably the email that we have in the system for you. So I'm going to type that in and I'm going to click Submit. Now, it says an activation email has been sent to me. Please check my inbox and complete your account setup. So now I'm going to go check my email. I'm going to click on this back to member login. Okay, so I've received the link. It did come to my inbox. However, it's possible that because this is automatically generated, this could come to my spam. So you're going to want to take a look at your spam folder or junk folder if you don't see it within a minute or two. But this just came, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Create My Account. And here I am. Now I have to create my username. Now, the username could be whatever you'd like. This can be your email, or it could be a separate username. So I like to have my username for a lot of things just be my first and last name as one word. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to create a password. Oh, and it looks like the username matches an existing account. Now, I've been playing around in here, so that's what's going on here. So I'm actually going to create my username to be just like my email here. Okay, so my username and my email are the same. Typed in my password and going to click Save. Now I type in the username that I previously just selected. And again, I've chosen my email to be my username. Hey, let's try to log in. Success. All right. So I'm logged in now to my personal profile for everything Tavern League. This is unique to my tavern, and this is the TLW Info Hub or Member Resources Hub. On the left-hand side, you will see a bunch of options. Go ahead and explore. You're not going to break anything. Go ahead and try things out. Click on things and see what happens. You're going to find some cool stuff in there. In another video, I'll walk you through and give you a little tour. If you are having trouble, email us at info@tlw.org, and we will help out as soon as possible. So what you're going to want to do is when you email us, provide us the email, the first name and the last name, and the organization name that you're trying to set up. And we'll help out as soon as we can. Please be patient as your fellow Tavern League members will begin creating your accounts this and next week as well.